Weather's kind of improving.
Yeah, I mean, it kind of reminds you of middle of March,
Yeah.
not really the end of February. So those temperatures are going to actually increase and be well above normal by almost 8 degrees. So let's take a look at where we are right now. Nice clear conditions here in Ridgefield, a temperature of 36. Our ALNA camera looking out towards the northwest. Yeah, good visibility here. How about Portland? Downtown area, still looking good, 42 degrees. Over at PDX, we still have partly cloudy skies. So at this point, that's preventing any fog from developing. And we have just a touch of wind, but not by much, only about 3 miles per hour out of the northwest. Looking at your sunrise time, that'll be 6:58. So visibility at this point, Corvallis down through Eugene, you're doing just fine. At least 10 miles reported at the airports. Newport looking good as well. Over to McMinnville, we're seeing about 10 miles there. The only place where we're really seeing some low visibility reported at the airport there, Tillamook at 7 miles. Up and down the valley, though, Aurora down to about 9. We will see this change dramatically, though, as we get through those early morning hours. I think you'll see a lot more areas affected by some patchy fog. Your temperatures right now in the valley, look at the difference here. Portland still at 42. You go down to Salem and Eugene, we're at 35 and 36. Out towards the coast, also much cooler. The Dalles about 44. Wherever you have a little bit of cloud coverage, that's acting as a blanket. So that's keeping and trapping Earth's heat, not allowing it to escape rapidly. So without complete clearing tonight, it would be pretty hard to get a whole lot for any fog. There's an X system on its way, but it's not going to be heading towards our direction. It's going to kind of skirt by just a little bit. We'll get the tail end. So by tomorrow night, we might see just a few isolated sprinkles. Not much to measure, though. Daytime conditions, we're expecting partly cloudy skies by about 12 o'clock. By 3 o'clock, mostly cloudy. And then there's our chance for a few sprinkles right after 7 o'clock. Daytime highs tomorrow reaching the mid-50s. Let's check out your forecast and talk about when we expect to see some of that rain come through. Again, right around 8, 9 o'clock up until about 10 o'clock. And most of this is going to be for the coastline where we see any chance of rain coming by up through Astoria and western Washington. Then we're nice and clear for the most part all the way through Friday. And then we get into Friday night pretty late until Saturday morning. Our next chance to see some rain again, most of this popping up on the west side first and then eventually spreading over to eastern Oregon. Not delivering much, though. We might be able to squeeze out a ½ inch or so of rain over a 2-day period starting Saturday morning going until Sunday night. But for snowfall, we could be seeing something closer to maybe 1 or 2 inches right around Government Camp, and ski resorts might be able to pick up something closer to 4 to 5 inches. We'll know better as we get a little bit closer to that time period. All the way through Sunday night, we expect that wet weather and possibly lingering into Monday. So as we take a look at your 7-day forecast, you can see right here a very brief moment to see any kind of light shower, and most of that's going to be draped across northwest Oregon. Wednesday, Thursday still looking pretty good for partly cloudy skies and low 60s. And we expect on Sunday half the day being partly cloudy and then getting right back to more of that rain on Monday. Overnight temperatures, though, the next couple nights are going to be in the mid to upper 30s.
But then 60s in the day. It's pretty incredible.
Nice trade-off.
Yeah. Thanks, Natasha.